Hi everyone, Donut here. I just spent 2 hours trying to get my dual PC streaming set up, audio working, and it was something incredibly stupid. When there's a Windows update, it just kills everything, but it's working now. And because that happened, I didn't have time to finish editing my shooting breakdown I was going to release tonight. That's going to be coming out tomorrow. It's going to be pretty good. But tonight, sometimes police officers come across a traffic stop and I see the video and it just can't be ignored. I wish they wouldn't have blurred it. If there's a dumbass out there, it's always good to just say, hey, look at this dumbass. It's also a good thing to show exactly what police officers go through every single day. You know, they're not always getting shot at. Well, they kind of are, but you know, not every day, but every police officer every day usually has to deal with someone who's just a complete asshole whose parents never taught them how to adult. For instance, the woman in the video that we're gonna watch. Bill Mulligan with Fox News. He tweeted, "You're always going to be a Mexican. You'll never be white. You know that." That was a quote. YouTube. You calm down. Take your finger off that delete button. Love you. A Latino Los Angeles Sheriff's Department deputy sent me his body cam video of a woman claiming to be a teacher launching into a racist tirade against him when he pulled her over in San Dimas. She repeatedly calls him a murderer. That's not cool, lady. Also, none of the articles mention her name. Our new friend Bill here knows her name, but he won't tell us. It's okay, Bill. I understand. Bill goes on to say the Los Angeles Sheriff's Department tells me the woman called them after this traffic stop to file a harassment complaint against the deputy with internal affairs. He also says Los Angeles Sheriff's Department tells me the woman has a history of making false complaints against deputies. I've learned what her name is, and she has been a professor at schools in the LA area. But at this time, I will not be identifying her because she has not returned any of my calls or email. This woman teaches people. She teaches people, and I'm pretty sure her kid was in the car for this whole tirade. But let's listen to it. Let's see what this intelligent, kind teacher has to say to this officer. He pulled her over. We're making the approach. We're 2 seconds into the video and she's already screaming out of her window, "Do you know why I'm being harassed today?" This is gonna be a great traffic stop. You know, the officer's already like, oh fuck.
I was going at 38.
Yes, you are, ma'am. Good morning.
Which is, and the speed limit is 40, and I was going 38, so why are you harassing me?
You are correct. I pulled you over because
you're a murderer.
Because
yes, I...
What are we 14 seconds into the video and he's pulling her over for a small traffic violation? She's already like, "You're a murderer." What did he murder? Who is he murdered? Do you know this man? Let's see what this murderer has to say. I do like how he instantly countered her with, good morning.
I was going at 38.
Yes, you are, ma'am. Good morning.
Which is, and the speed limit is 40, and I was going 38. Started to record because you're a murderer.
You can't be on your cell phone while you're driving.
I wasn't on my phone. I was recording you because you scared me.
You can't use your cell phone while you're recording.
You.
May I have your driver's license?
It's at my apartment.
What's your apartment?
It's at my home. I'm just taking my son to his.
Do you have your driver's license?
I mistakenly left it at home.
Do you have a picture of your driver's license?
Yes, I do.
May I have it?
And can you call your supervisor?
Dude, she's dropping all the classic lines. We already got, "Can you call your supervisor?" right there. What? Another reason I wanted to do this video, I mean, it's already got like, what, 2 million views. If I could add another couple 100,000 on there or another million to show how nasty this woman is, I'll always do my duty.
He's on his way.
Good, because you're a murderer.
Okay.
You're a murderer.
Okay.
And so you're giving me a cell phone ticket? Is that why you're harassing me?
Not harassment.
Yeah.
I am enforcing the law.
I have a right to record the police when they're harassing me.
I don't think that he ever said she couldn't. She is quite literally creating problems for herself in her head about what's going on here. This murderer.
Do you have that picture?
You scared me and made me think you were going to murder me.
Okay, well, I'm sorry you feel that way.
I agree with her. I could hear and see the murderous intent as he was walking up.
Good morning. Okay, well, I'm sorry you feel that way.
Well, that's not just a feeling. You're a murderer.
Okay. Can you zoom in on that for me,
Sure.
Jen? Thank you.
And I'm perfectly legal, and I'm a teacher. So there.
Congratulations.
Hit her with the congratulations. Oh my God. She really just told this man that she's not an illegal. We know what you're saying. We need a name for her. Let's give her a name in the comments below. Oh, and the entitlement in her voice. Sure.
Can you zoom in on that for me, Jen?
Sure.
Thank you.
And I'm perfectly legal, and I'm a teacher. So there.
Congratulations.
Murderer. You're a murderer.
What's your last name? I can't see that there.
Well,
If
here you
stop,
go,
Stop
murderer.
shaking. Zoom in on that for
No,
me,
because
ma'am.
you're scaring me.
Oh,
You're threatening to kill me and my son.
She just said you're threatening to kill me and my son. Can you believe this woman has children and there's probably a child in the car with her right now? Like she has spawned something out of her stupid vagina and it's sitting there with her watching her do this to this cop. He probably wasn't even going to give her a ticket. He was probably just gonna be like, hey, you know, get off your phone. And now he's been called a murderer, I believe, at least 11 times now.
You're threatening to kill me and my son. Can you
What?
give me
Okay.
When did that happen?
I'll tell you what, you keep smiling, you're on camera.
You're trying to threaten to kill me.
I
I'm not
didn't say that.
smiling. You're the one who's crazy.
Hold that still, I can't see that. Is this your car?
Yes, it is. And you're trying to say I stole my own car because you're jealous?
What?
You wait for me right here, okay?
You're jealous?
Citation. All you need to do is your signature. He's only citing you for using your cell phone while you're driving. That's it.
There you go, ma'am. Sign inside the
For,
red
being
box
a,
right
for
there.
him being a Mexican racist. What is that name? Gasso?
It's on the citation, ma'am.
Here you go, Mexican racist.
Wow.
You're always going to be a Mexican. You'll never be white. You know that, right?
That's
You'll never
racist.
be white, which is what you really want to be.
There you
want to
go,
be
dear.
white.
Have a
you,
good
ma'am.
day.
You want to be white so bad.
Well, that was the nastiest lady I believe I've ever seen on a traffic stop. Lord have mercy. What was her fucking problem? Sometimes I just like doing videos like these. So hopefully one of her friends or family members sees that and they say, I always knew she was a stupid bitch. That's all I got right now. I have a good shooting breakdown coming out tomorrow. I just wanted to make something quick and simple tonight because my computer decided to just take a giant shit on itself and I finally got it working. I'm going to try to jump over on stream and stream for a little bit if you want to come hang out. Twitch.tv/DonutOperator. Love to see all your beautiful smiling faces there. Until next time, please have a fantastic day.
Whack.